Okay, so we're going to replace the pollen filter on a Volkswagen T4 Transporter. It's an easy thing to do, should be done fairly regularly. Unfortunately, I haven't done mine for a while, and we'll soon see the difference. Undo the clips, there's 2 clips at the top and back. There's also a supporting clip for the wash wiper hose. Pull that out. Remove the battery cover, and well, this one's already come away, as you can see, and it's quite dirty. Didn't realise quite how dirty it was. When you see the replacement one, you'll see the difference. And there's the new filter. Compare the two, so it's definitely worth keeping on top of and replacing every now and again. Okay, so they have a little lug and 2 clips, and inside you'll see where they all fit. So just place your lugs, clip up there, and clip up there. And hold in. There we go. A little bit awkward, clipping in. It's clipped in. So now replacing the cover. This is the reverse of the process. Put that back on. Pull your clips down. Secure the top. Put your hose back in and replace your battery cover. So it's a cheap, easy fix, but it's something to keep on top of. Make sure keep all your filters clean regular.